So yours are 3/8, mine are 1/2 inch.
Those look too short still.
So we need 5/8 for the bottom. The 1/2 inch will work good for the top, not the bottom. So these are, we need 5/8. But those are 3/8.
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay. That thing takes my knee out all the time when I'm riding.
So we have
A little loose, huh?
I don't think these are number 10. I think these are number 12.
The
Yes.
threads don't match, huh?
Yeah, these are number 12 thread. I thought they were bigger than 3/16. Yeah, they're 12/24, not 10/24. So these do not work. That's why they fit inside of the vortex. So we need 12/24. See, the locks are 3/8 and the screws are 400 thou. But this is only 3/60.
So you have to drill them slightly bigger.
So you have to go bigger. No, you have to spot face it. You don't drill it. I don't think I have a spot face that size, so I think I used an end metal. I'll set close. That's 7/16. Pins off. See what that says?
I can't read it.
Counter bore is mixed. Does that look mixed?
It does.
Good. And we got this 400 thou. Not that one. That looks promising. No, it's only 3/8. Not enough.
Isn't that what the lock washers are?
This one here is probably 3/8. Too big. Too small. 3/8 again. Same problem I always have when I'm looking for something that's oddball. And got it. That's way too big. Too small. Alright, that didn't work. Same problem we had last time.
That's why you said you didn't want to sell it to me before.
It's just a lot of work. Oh, 5/16. 3/8. Almost fits, see? Almost, but not quite. That does not work. Okay, I need some drills. What size is that?
I don't know.
Either 215-ish. 221. It's too big, so 213 fits. All right. We're being a mess over here. There you go, right there.
That's it?
3/8. It's easy to use this though. For what I'm going to do. See, these one I have a problem with because they're already big. Only use 2 here. So I'm just going to hold it down. Quick enter. Close. 0, 0. See how it's easier?
I don't know. Okay, now we need 10 more thous, so we're just going to go up here and we're going to leave it. Well, the other way 12. Back on 0. Do this way 12. Do this way 12. 12 up there, so
screw should fit in the hole. Not quite. So I can go 15 now. See, we're 12. We'll go 15. Yeah, we'll go 16. What the hell?
It looks like your drill chuck is hitting on that bolt from that nut.
Over here?
Mm-hmm.
It might be. Okay, so it barely goes in there now, but it goes in.
The lock washer, though.
Mm-hmm. Quite in there. So we hit on the bottom? Yeah, it probably did. Too close. Yep.
That's Carl.
I'll be home.
Hey,
What's up?
why did you ask if he was wearing a sweater?
Because I like when he wears a sweater. But he's not wearing a sweater.
He has a sweater fetish.
Tatro, do you want my bike on or off the truck?
I didn't know I wanted it all.
I know, but it's
Oh.
here. On or off the truck?
Are you giving it away or what?
Off the truck then it is.
Are you giving it away?
My bike's already here.
I know, mine is.
Shit.
I think all I need is a coil though. The coil is doing 4.1 resistance.
Oh, instead
It's
of
supposed
5?
to be 2.5 to 3.5
Oh.
for Ultima.
Oh.
So
Is your
I don't know
ignition?
if it's that, but my ignition keeps tripping out. After I have them reset it, I put it on, it still just blinks.
So maybe it was the coil.
Yeah, it might be the coil is overloading, and then the ignition is saying like something's wrong. Because when you look online, it says that when it blinks consistent, it's either getting overcurrent or it's shorting. But I've checked all the connections, voltage meter, all that kind of shit. It's not shorting. So because
Maybe he just doesn't like you.
it definitely doesn't like me. So I basically just need to throw a different coil on it,
Ah.
or yeah, that's first thing to try.
Don't get in my way.
No. I don't like it when you step on my toes.
Was I on your toe?
I don't know. I couldn't feel it.
Are you in my way? Get back again. I thought you just left. Yeah, he's back
I'm trying to think, should I take it off or keep it on? It's probably easier to take it off. Keep it on.
No, keep it in your truck.
Yeah, keep it in the truck, but it's just a coil.
Yeah.
Oh, easier.
Alright.
Unless you want to do burnouts out in the street.
In the back of the
Nah.
truck.
I haven't heat cycled it, so
Oh.
I ain't doing nothing like
I
that.
would heat cycle it.
Yeah.
Is that the other side?
Yeah.
It sounds like it doesn't like that.
Doesn't like a dead spot. How much we go last time?
12.
No, like 16. It's still tight. Here we go. 19 this time. 18, 19, that's pretty soon. Be nice to make this stuff correctly.
I don't think it was made for this.
That's why it wasn't made for linkert.
You're making it correctly now.
Never hit the vise, it didn't open up. Yeah. Must be the wrong tool. Gone forever. You didn't need that, did you?
Nope, we just spent like 2 hours working on it.
I got that much time in this thing?
I don't know.
Jesus.
I don't even think I asked you for that today. I think we were just trying to put the air cleaner on, and then you said, let's do this.
We are putting air cleaner on.
See? You're trying to upsell me.
Just didn't give you any options, that's all.
Nope.
Told me to ride down the freeway at 90 mile an hour, that pile of crap, so
Oh, it was running
I
good.
have to get do some tuning now on it.
Yep. Hopefully I can make it home.
Told you you're gonna drive faster than 53 mile an hour once we fixed it.
It wants to go.
It only took you a day to do that.
And I didn't even put the bigger sprocket
I
on
know
there.
you haven't put the fast gearing on the bike yet.
My brakes aren't fast enough for that fast gearing.
We got the brakes available. Okay, so now that kind of goes in there, see?
Yeah, but what about the lock washer?
Lock washer's smaller than the bolt.
Oh, I thought they were bigger.
No, this is bigger.
Okay,
Lock washer's easy. It drops right in there. Look at that.
Sweet.
It's the goose.
sweet.
If you had a Philister head screw or an Allen, it would have been fine, but we don't, so we use what we got. Now, you're still too short. See, it's good for one side, but too short for the other.
Yeah, so all this it's gonna change when I find some new screws.
Still gonna have to get some more screws here because these aren't the right ones.
Yeah,
Two are, but two aren't.
yeah.
Okay, let's go try it again. All right,
Put it on the bike.